In today's video, I'll be doing a quick review of the brand new Justin Bieber with Drew House Crocs collab. So this is the second colorway that has released. The first one was a yellow color, and this time around it's lavender. So it's a brand new color, brand new gibbets, and it does come with an accessory that the last ones didn't. So make sure you stay tuned for the entire review to see everything about this shoe. And let's get started with the packaging. Starting off with the plastic bag the shoes come in, it says Crocs, and then it says by Justin Bieber with Drew House. And then here's the size label of the shoes. It says lavender, which is the color of the shoe, roomy fit, and then the size. So I have a men's size 7 or a women's size 9, and then here are the other conversions for the international sizes. And then here's the back of the bag. It has all the warning labels, and then it does say the bag is biodegradable, which is pretty interesting. I've never seen a clothing item or a shoe come with the biodegradable plastic bag. So I think that's pretty good considering a lot of that stuff uses a lot of plastic, so I just think it's good for the environment that they used a biodegradable bag for this. So that's just a nice little feature I didn't know was out there. And something different from these Crocs that the last collab didn't come with is these Drew socks. So it has the Drew House branding, and then near the part where you put your foot into the sock, it does say Drew. And then I'm assuming that's what it says right here. And then I don't know what the sizing information is on this. Couldn't find a sizing label on this anywhere. So I'm assuming this would fit most people. Most socks are like size 8 men's to size 12 men's. That's a pretty common size range. So I'm assuming that's what these are. Maybe they're a little smaller than that because I got a men's size 7. But I don't know if the bigger sizes came with a bigger pair of socks. So if you do know, make sure to comment that down below. I'd really appreciate it. Now moving on to the shoes themselves. Here's the black hang tag they come with. And as you can see, it does say the sizing. So I got a men's size 7 or a women's size 9. Just give you an overview of the color of this shoe. It looks pretty nice. Both the colors of the Crocs were really good, nice and vibrant. So I think these will be really popular. I don't know if they'll be a more popular shoe than the other ones, but with spring coming up, this is more of a spring shoe. So I could see these doing very well. Maybe the other ones will rebound a little bit. I know those ones kind of tanked in value after release, but these ones seem to be holding up a little bit better. So we'll just have to wait and see in the coming months. Here's the outsole of the Crocs. It's that same lavender color. And then it also does have the sizing information again. So men's size 7 and women's size 9 is the one I have. Here's the straps of the shoe. It's in that same lavender color. And something different with this one that the last shoe had, but this one doesn't, is it had a charm on the strap itself. But you can still put charms on there. It just doesn't come with one default on there. So that's just something to keep in mind in case you wanted a charm that came on the strap itself. Now, moving on to the charms themselves, the first one is a skeleton dude with a bandana on, and he's skateboarding, and then it also has the Drew House logo on his shirt. And the next one is a little chipmunk or a squirrel, I don't know whatever one you want it to be, and it does have a Drew House acorn in his hands. And the next gibbet is this coyote, and it looks to be he's wearing the last Crocs collab. That's what it looks like in my opinion, but he's just wearing some yellow shoes. And the last charm on the shoe is the word house for Drew House. And moving on to the charms on the other shoe, there's a teddy bear, and he's wearing a Drew House shirt. And the other animal one is a rabbit, and he's wearing a pair of Crocs also, and he is also wearing a Drew House shirt. And then the last charm on the right shoe is Drew. Together, it does say Drew House when you're wearing them. So that does wrap up all the gibbets on this shoe. Overall, you get less gibbets on this one than you did on the last collab, but these ones are a little bit bigger, so I guess that makes up for it. It evens it out. So I think on the last pair, you got 9 or 10 of them, and this time around, you only get 7, so you get 3 less, but like I said, they're a little bit bigger, so it just evens out in the end. And if I had to choose between the gibbets on this shoe and the last one, I'd probably pick these just because the characters are a little bit cooler, and they're a little bit more vibrant and have more details than the last one. That's just my opinion. Maybe you have a different one. So that wraps up all the shoe. Now on to the outro of the video. So that wraps up today's quick review of the brand new Justin Bieber with Drew House Croc collab. Overall, I think it's a little bit better than the last colorway. The gibbets that it comes with are a little bit better in my opinion. And it also does come with a pair of socks. So you can never go wrong with more socks. And it's a nice added feature to it. So comment down below which one you prefer. And that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. And also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.